no ramp to make them gyal a roll out them eyes. Go down there, wine and go down there. Go down there, wine and.
Me, friend of me, enemy. All these neck just wanna be a mini me. All these neck just wanna be a mini me. All these neck just wanna be a mini me.
That's Kingston.
Hey guys, welcome back to the Denton Family Channel. Today I'm saying what's up from Jamaica. We are on our way to Kingston, Jamaica from St. Thomas, Jamaica. We're going to dinner. We're going to Rockstone Restaurant Lounge. We're going a little bit early because we have the boys with us, so we can't hang out too late. Actually, I think they do not allow kids after certain hours, so we have to after 7. After 7, so we need to be in there and out before party time. I think that's a good idea, though. Anyways,
What's the name of the restaurant?
name of the restaurant? I said it. It's Rockstone Restaurant.
Bar and Grill.
Rockstone Bar and Grill. Let's see what it's called. Yeah, Rockstone Pool Bar and Grill in Kingston. Yeah, so I'm in the car. It looks a little dark. And it's raining outside too. I don't even think you can see the rain. Let's see. It's kind of hard to see. But look who's up front driving as always. Say hi. We're at the stop sign. Hey. What's up, Oral? And look who is sleeping in the front. Logie. And back here, Satai. Well, they're all sleeping, you know. They're all sleeping. They're tired. The sun is really, really hot today. Well, it's been hot since we've been here. So the boys get drained easily. But yeah. What do you want to say to our lovely peoples watching us, Oral?
I'm trying to find the right address.
Trying to find the restaurant. Yes, he's trying to find the restaurant, and I'm just sitting here in the back because I have to watch the boys, stay close to the boys because we are just using the regular
Oh, it's raining. So.
seat. Yeah, let's see if we can catch the rain. Let's see. Can we see the rain? Can we see that it's raining out there?
You're gonna mess up your clothes.
Mess up my clothes? No.
Yeah, you're wearing white, so.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Oh, you mean in the rain?
Yep.
Oh, it's all good. It's all good. It's all good. It's all good.
You're wearing white, so.
Yeah, I'm wearing a white. Let's see what I'm wearing. I'm wearing some. Oh, look at my boobs. Oh my god. Yeah, so that's what I'm wearing. I'm in some pants. So yeah, some.
So you know we're actually in Kingston already. So we're in downtown.
We are in Kingston.
We're in Kingston, yeah.
So we are already in Kingston. Just looking around to find the place. Let's see.
I've never been here before, so if we don't like it, we're not gonna stop. So.
Maybe if we don't like it, we're gonna go inside first and see if we like it. Okay, well, we'll see if we like it. We will let you guys know if we like it and take some pictures and some videos, or if we didn't like it and we're just leaving. All right, so nice to have you guys watching. Thanks for watching always. See you later. Bye.
What?
This is Hannah.
Go on. Go. Oh, okay. Second floor. Logan, what you gotta say? Your first time in Kingston, Logan. What do you have to say? Huh?
What's up, YouTubers? Like some hi.
Logan, you gonna say hi? Logan.
Which turn was this one?
Make it right.
Ramsey said it was so bad.
I was just like looking like, what? I was like, this is a new experience for me. Ah. Hello. I guess I go here. Do not do sushi here, Satar.
Do you have any sushi?
Say, can you give him that? He's in a fancy restaurant, but he wanted the smaller cup.
Ramsey this is supposed to be after, or just in case you don't like the food.
What are the drink options?
Say thank you, mommy.
Natural juice is pineapple orange fruit punch. Pineapple orange fruit punch with a cranberry juice in it. We have duck is
That's a tie.
Okay, what is large plates from the sea, large plates from the range?
He's only 15. He cannot drink alcohol.
That's why I started without the alcohol.
Yeah. Well, in Jamaica you could, right? So despite Stacey and being late, we made it. Oh, okay. Yeah, okay, you're late. Okay. Despite being late, we made it. Logan, say hi. You order already?
Yeah,
You think you're gonna enjoy the food?
yeah.
Okay, that's good. Logan is a very, just says thing. Yeah, that's it. Oh, says yeah.
What do you?
Oh, man. Oh, we know this.
Despite you be late, we made it. Okay, how about that? We turned it around on you.
Never late.
You were late,
late.
okay? You were complaining about me getting ready, but you weren't ready.
I'm never like Stacey. I could let you.
Da, 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 da.
I could let you guys shower.
Yeah.
And then I could go and iron my clothes, and I still get ready for you guys.
Anyways,
That's
we're
just
here
I
at
need
the
5 minutes.
restaurant, and Ramses does not want to sit in his chair. Look, there's a chair for him. He wants to watch.
No,
Look at
she's coming with our food.
She's coming with your food?
Jane, ring.
What's her name? You forgot her name? I thought you were gonna say her name.
What's her name again? Camille.
Satai, you can forget her name.
How are you? Okay, you'll be getting. Thank you. Pizza, you'll get your chicken pizza, alright? Without the spice. Wait, is this water? Yes, it is. Good for you. Oh, this one for me? Yes, that one is yours. Okay. Do you want me to change my dress or this one is okay?
Well, I like.
It's fine.
This is
I
gonna
like.
Oh, you want a stem?
Yeah, well, that's
okay.
You're moving from the stands.
Oh, because of the breaking and the
Yeah.
and the problem.
Overall, you see the transition. Everywhere is transitioning to these. So these are your white.
That's fine.
And the fat one.
Is the red? Yeah. That's
I
okay.
know.
People miss the stem and one.
I know. I'm a
Yeah.
traditionalist. So
We have both at home.
We have both, but I know
I use
these are more
both, but-
convenient because you could just use them easier and they
Much.
Thank you.
sometimes are more dangerous.
Island
I
Springston.
would ask for some bread for your daddy without the.
See that you don't have a stem, I'll just take this one then.
That's fine, I don't have to change it.
No problem.
Thank you.
You're most welcome.
Ramses.
So your bread is coming.
You taking a plate?
Yes, because you're finished with the margarine.
Oh, it's for the bread?
If there's no more bread, it's finished.
Okay, yeah.
You alright?
Why are you so cute, Satai?
You know, that's
Because you look like your papa.
we can't use all that music. It's gonna be copyrighted.
Oh, so stop it then. So this is some chicken soup. This looks really good. It's really tasty.
Kitty?
And what are you having there? What are you having there?
It's a beet salad
Beet salad.
with
Popcorn.
lettuce and it's like what? Jerk popcorn?
Popcorn. It's popcorn.
Jerk popcorn.
And Logan is also having a chicken soup for starter.
Ow.
Satai wants some soup, so we'll share because you didn't order
Yeah.
any, okay?
Because I don't have me. He lives on the street.
Dinner is over and Logan enjoyed dinner? Yes?
Yeah.
Your first time in downtown Kingston, right?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Your first time in downtown Kingston?
Me?
Yeah.
No, I've been to downtown Kingston, but I'm surprised of this kind of restaurant and
But the ocean
hotel
was right here before.
in downtown Kingston.
Satai, this way.
Satai's worried about the guy on the floor.
I know, but he's drunk.
He's probably homeless.
Is he drunk? He's just tired.
Wait, he's homeless. Listen.
He's an older
homeless.
guy? He's an older guy, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, he's a.
They don't want him on the side of the
Oh
hotel.
no, he's messing up the hotel. He's messing up the image of the hotel. So this is
anyway.
revitalized downtown Kingston.
Satai, calm, it's
This is by
okay. He's gonna
this
be
is by
okay.
the port or the pier, I would say the pier. And I think they have like tours and stuff like that going from here. And we had dinner at the Rockstone Tapestry Hotel. It's Hilton. It's an Hilton hotel.
It's a Hilton hotel, yeah.
But we had dinner at that's the restaurant in the Hilton
Within the
hotel.
hotel.
Pretty expensive.
Where
And
does
Stacey
he
didn't
get
pay
his
any
food
money.
from?
Who asked you?
You did not pay.
Why would I pay money if you're here?
Mommy,
Okay,
where
great.
does he get his
But it was
Asked if
great.
It was expensive.
Lo-
I didn't want to know.
Logan enjoyed it.
Logan
Satai
had,
enjoyed
Logan
it.
had oxtail.
I know, Logan.
Oxtail. What is it called? But oxtail fettuccine.
Yeah, I know. It was like fancy.
It was nice.
But in general, the food was,
Satai had it.
the food was really good in general. Though I gotta say, I recommend.
You enjoyed your vegan
recommend it.
plate?
Oh, yeah, 100%
Mommy,
vegan. Coconut
where
milk
does he
and
get
the
food from?
and the salad. It was
Mommy.
really good.
My
Mommy,
salmon was good.
Mommy.
And now you see, we went and spent that money, and then someone here that's less fortunate is like sleeping on the floor.
Mommy,
So it's not
where
great,
does he
right?
get food
It's
from?
a duality.
It's everywhere. That's
Where
everywhere.
does he
Duality.
get food from?
He doesn't have any food. You want to give him food?
Where does he get food from?
He
But
doesn't have food.
that's how it is.
Oh,
That's
so
life,
he
The
right?
guy's helping him up.
Oh. But
He gets food
the
from
security guard is helping him up, and which is great.
He gets food
I
from
like
the
that.
store.
So now,
From the
Stacey,
store.
I want to go to Devon House or something like that.
Does he get food from the
But you notice it's a lot of cars on both sides of the street when it get late.
store? Does he get food from
Ocean
the store?
7 Sky Bar.
I know. Gotta ditch you and come down here.
Huh?
Open, it's
You're
open.
gonna ditch me. I heard you.
Open.
You're
It's
free to
open.
ditch me and
It's
come.
open.
Get away from the door, okay? Just make sure you don't get hurt. It'll mean
open.
some ditching me.
Open.
I can't get food
I don't
from the
mind.
store.
I'll come with Logan. Come.
No, don't worry about Logan. You
Come on,
by
jump
yourself.
in, jump in.
When anything happen to you, it happen to you alone.
Jump in. You want to get to the ice cream place? You're jumping now.
Since I want ice cream, so we gotta get that.
Wait,
Have to pour this in Ramses' cup.
does he buy food?
No, the homeless man, I don't know.
Does he buy food or somebody buy food?
No.
This is beautiful
Since I
downtown
wanna
Kingston.
since I wanna buy the
All the nice, well, a lot of government building are down here, but this is like the revitalized pier and everything else. It's really, 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 really nice down here. It's really. What do you want to get the homeless man? Okay, so let's go get him food then. Really, really nice. Are you want to old Ramses? So let's go. You're not gonna make it if we don't go now. So. Do you like it? You like it down here?
Mommy.
Huh? You like it down here? Downtown Kingston at night.
Ramses.
Really nice.
Logan, since I wanna give the homeless man the granola.
Okay, so let's go. Watch the traffic is. I don't know if it's still there. So Satai want to give the homeless guy granola bar. So I guess Sata is generous. So I'm gonna try and find this homeless guy and give him a granola bar.
Oh, they moved them.
Oh, they moved him already?
Yeah, they told him to have it from us.
Okay.
Sometimes where daddy didn't eat our food.
We may see him at the...
I think he ate
Up
that
there.
piece of that water.
Watch it. Oh, what you doing?
He ate that piece of that water.
Well, we didn't see the homeless guy to give him the granola bar. That's what I wanted to give him.
That way?
We'll drive around to see if we find him. We'll drive around. We'll drive around. What? All those stuff on my seats. Logan, please take those off. Thank you.
Trying to open the door though.
This is so nice. I'm so nice.
What?
Leave the door on just.
You had a good time, Sata?
Yeah, I had a good time.
And some Logan, you had a good time?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see if we find a guy to give a granola bar to.
You can't just sit there.
Rooftop bar and grill. There's a lot of things happening down here tonight. Today's Friday, right? Friday night in downtown Kingston. Oh, Bentley. Oh, nice. Jamaica have a lot of money here.
The homeless guy can't just sit there and eat nothing.
Driving up. We're gonna try and find this today. I'm gonna drive around a little bit, and if I see him, we'll give it to him. How about that? Oh, that's him right there. Oh, that's him. That's him right there, Satai. I'm gonna go down and we're gonna come around and give it to him, okay? Satai, go down, put your seatbelt on.
That boy is very adventurous tonight. It can't be adventurous in the car.
Mommy, I would really that.
Your compass gonna change.
Maybe I know he.
I think he's over here.
Why do I have to like this? What? I'm trying to give him money.
Tell him to get something to eat.
Is that him? That's him right there, Logan? That's him? Is that him? That's not him.
It's a different one.
That's a different one?
Yes.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Go up a little
That's
more.
not
I know
him.
how he looks like.
That's not him.
That's not him?
No, that's not
He's
him.
an older guy. Oh, this is him?
Yes, I think that's him.
Wait.
Is it that's him?
Oh my god.
That's him, right?
Multiple owners.
Oh my god, let's give it to one. My man, yo! Yo! Partner, you alright?
Yeah.
Come for this! Give it to him, Satan.
I should give him this.
Take this.
No, just give
Take
him
this. Give him that. Give it to him, Satan. Give it to him.
Oh.
Alright?
Yeah.
You go stay off the road, alright?
Yeah, I'm right over. All right over.
You alright over right now?
Okay.
You're gonna give him money to?
Since I had $5 to give the one that he wanted to give him. But
This is not the one, alright?
no.
Alright, take care of yourself, alright?
Okay.
Alright. Satan, you're very generous. I like it.
Look at that dog
Worried
sleep.
about him.
I think we could go up here. Let's see.
Alright, just find Devon now.
Let's see that. We could go up
Why
here.
was that dog sleeping on there? Is that dog homeless too?
You're not a dog to the dogs. It's hard.
Are dogs homeless too?
Sometimes, yeah.
So is that dog homeless?
If we find a homeless guy, then they could give you $5 that you want to give them. Yeah, this is where Oceana used to be right here. I think this is what converted to Oceana. Oh, yeah, see right here. I used to come down here when I was when I was in Jamaica. Yeah, right here,
So
right
it's
back
the
here.
same college. It's this, let me college.
Yeah,
Same
right.
hotel, they changed it.
Yeah, to the right. Yeah, it used to be right back here. I used to come And it used to be like right there, the station at the porter, and then the garage is right here. I used to come and stay down here back in the days.
So probably it's the same.
So guys, we are still in Kingston. Now we're in not uptown Kingston. We're in Devon now. So Logan is gonna have his first Devon House ice cream. How do you feel about that, Logan?
Okay.
You feel okay?
Yeah.
You're gonna be like, this is wow. I love this ice cream, right? Okay, let's see. Well, I don't eat ice cream, but I'll watch you guys enjoy it.
Dada, you don't eat ice cream?
Nope.
You don't eat ice cream, Dada?
No, I don't.
Come so we can grab some fun.
You gotta do it fast because it's almost time to close.
Go to Devon House.
We at Devon House. Ramsey, is you gonna have some ice cream? Huh? Oh, where's my, you have my phone? Give me my phone. You have my other phone?
I do.
I didn't take up any of your phone.
Okay, let me get my other phone. We got some absolutely nice cars. BMW, nice Benz. These people are living really well. Really well. I like it. So the famous Devon House ice cream. I had it when I was a child, but obviously I don't eat any dairy product now, so I wouldn't be having ice cream, but Stacey and I will be loving it. Nice.
We only have 2 minutes.
Oh, we could go to that club over here.
Take them out and call their friends.
You don't see so.
Let them do that in Jamaica.
Yeah, no, because you know what type of kids they are. Cause they're the uptown kids. Yep. Exactly. Exactly.
Ramses is tearing off my clothes.
Exactly. Oh, you still could get ice cream. Oh, so we could have dinner there. We could have dinner there. Let me check out that place and then we could have dinner there as well. All right, go. Ice cream. Yes. Okay. Exit.
So this is the entrance.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh shit. It's closed? Oh, crap.
We have 2 minutes.
Not the door. We'll be like, we got 2 minutes.
We have 2 minutes.
When somebody come out through the entrance, so you walk right there. The famous Devon House ice cream. Wow, we're lucky to get in the line.
Since I want me to lift him to see the strawberry.
No, you just do it.
Oh my
You're looking to see what you want? Okay.
Which one for set?
Oh, you get one for yourself as well? So it's gonna be for Ramses? He's not gonna manage that Stacey. Give it to, he's bigger than Logan. And it's a tie.
It's the same size.
Oh.
Thank you for watching our show. Please subscribe and see you next time. Bye.
Sit on your trip.
That's enough videos.